All right, so in this video, I want to also clear some wrong information that has taken over the internet space among the Nigeria community, among the African communities in UAE regarding WPS, your salary and your company and your visa. All right. Now, like I always say, the intention of my videos is always to explain a certain information that you might not understand. And looking at the way that content creators has been using it to make content without explaining, without them even knowing how this WPS operates, giving you wrong information and making you and setting you up to be in a victim of some certain situation. You understand? So make una calm down, make I break it down because now my job to break it down for you to understand. First of all, before most of you they hear WPS, una don dey hear this WPS, especially during that time of where cancellation of partnership reign well. Everybody come dey bring WPS as content, blah blah blah. Go dey tell you say you should go and tell you the person, your company to they must give you a WPS that blah blah blah. If you don't have a WPS, your visa is not valid. Blah blah. There's a lot of misinformation on from TikTok to WhatsApp, misinformation everywhere. That is why I don't dedicate my time today in this video to explain it for you so that you will not make mistake. Most of you, because of this thing, your somebody, the company that issued your visa don't cancel your visa without you knowing because of this particular thing. So now, before I start, I want you guys, if you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Chris Emilio, and here is where I discuss everything that has to, I break down everything that has to do United Arab Emirates, jobs and employment. Kindly click that subscription button to subscribe for my channel. If you're on Facebook, you go to the comment section, you will see a link there, or you go to just go to YouTube, type my name, Chris Emilio Media, is going to come. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. Please like and comment. If you're already part of my family, like and comment. Always like and comment on my videos so that my video go fit dey go far. You understand? So please, I want you guys to engage my video because now information at the pass. So that as I dey pass the information, you dey benefit. This about the benefit money as well like bio. So let's go to why we are here. Now listen to me and listen very carefully. Before you start following this WPS trend, first of all, you need to understand what is WPS. Now, I'm going to read from Google. Listen. WPS is a mandatory electronic system implemented by the Ministry of Human Resources and Emiratization in UAE. It makes sure that employees are paid their wages on time, correctly, and in a transfer manner. Now, this simply means this WPS is a system that is set up by the government to track and make sure that the employees are paid. Employees are paid by employer. Now, where this WPS come into action is when an employee did not receive their salary and they decided to make a case and report to the right authority, which is labor. Then if labor go through the WPS and find out that the employee is not really paid, then go take legal action against the company. Now, how did the WPS affect your visa? Now, I'm talking at those people that is working outside their company. I mean, those people that has NOC to work outside their company, meaning those people that is working as a part-time in different company, or that is maybe their company has an issue and they give them permission to go outside and work in another company. Now, the question is, How can a company that you are not working for run a WPS for you? This is the question. Now, when you be say you go do visa for another person hand, and you want your WPS to dey run. Now, how company where you know they work for that gave you an NOC to work in another company, how can they be the one to run your WPS? Una no dey ask the right question at the right time. That is the problem. Now I did why I do this video to explain to you guys how this thing works. Now, WPS is not a problem of employee. Now, wetin I wan tell una. WPS is a problem of an employer. Like I said, this issue of WPS trending came up during the time of partnership. You having a partnership visa, you are an employer. You have staffs under your license. It is your responsibility to pay their salary. That is why it becomes an issue for partnership visa, because you are not an employee, you are an employer. Now, for people that is working under the visa of employee, just like I said, you do visa from another company, they give you NOC to work for another company. That company that you are working for supposed to issue you a labor card with that NOC that you have from that company. And with that labor card, that is where your WPS is. I don't know whether you understand this that I'm saying. What I'm saying is all these things that they're telling you, go. That is why sometimes person will do your visa, they cancel your visa. Because once you don't give them that pressure, because an employer, I know if you release their WPS to you. Because at the end of the day, no, they work for them. Unless them, now for the benefit of the WPS is not even for employee, is for employer to make sure that their company is still legal and operating. That is why the employer has to make sure say the WPS they run, no be the employee. Una know say me, I dey speak through logic. Una know they really don't understand my topic. Now I make una know they really they calm down, they listen to my videos. Now you go for live stream, they go tell you say, you check the company WPS, is it running? No be your wahala. Now the person wey do your visa wahala, no be your wahala. You understand? Now, if you actually have a different visa working in a different company, you should seek for an NOC from the company that issued your visa to enable that company that you are working with to issue you a labor permit to work in their company. With that labor permit, those what they call it, those company can be able to pay your salary through Alansari or through back transfer. That particular way your WPS is running, because that company don't they pay your salary through Alansari and transfer, and they issue you a labor permit from their own company through the NOC that you got from the company that issue your visa. See, labor permit and visa is two different things. So that is what I want you to understand. Labor permit and visa are two different things. Labor permit is from the Ministry of Human Resources. Visa is from immigration. Ministry of Human Resources and immigration no be the same. A different department, bro. So I believe that with this video, I want make you now everybody, every African nationality that is trending this topic of what they call it, WPS. You guys should stop them. You guys should stop it. I don't want to use that kind of word because of maybe they no flag my video. You guys should stop it. You guys should stop passing out wrong informations. If you want to make informative For me, I think you go Dogaram. If you want to make an informative content, make sure you do your research and know what you are saying. See, as I don't, I mean, I don't even go school. I mean, see, as I dey struggle with English, but I know the basic knowledge of some certain things. I do research. I ask questions. That is the difference between me and these people. Everybody go tell you go dey fight person wey do your visa because of making dey run your this thing. Wetin concern you and are you working for them? You are not working for them. So how them are they going to run your this thing? You can have a mutual understanding with them. That one day. But for the fact say that WPS no be your problem, is a problem of an employer. Is a problem as an employer because if that person don't take pressure from you, they ask them about WPS. One day, you go say one day you go carry and go labor, say they pay you salary, and it's gonna be a big case for him. So you know go get choice than to cancel you without even you knowing. If you dey bother am, they tell am you know they work, him just do visa for you, give you NOC to work in another company. They come dey chat and they tell am say because of wetin una know say Naija people una get pressure too much. Because of wetin somebody dey talk for TikTok, you go dey chat and they tell am say send me my WPS, send me my WPS, blah blah blah. You know wetin that guy go do? Him go block you and cancel you because of wetin you don dey give am reason to doubt you because normally if him know you know dey work for am, so even if him dey run the WPS na on his own, do you understand? But if you come dey give am that, na me say one day you go carry am go labor say this you dey work for am, you know dey pay your salary, and they go check that thing, they go take am give am case because of say legally you are under him. You see how una take una hand dey put una self for problem. Una go dey disturb person wey do una visa. At the end of the day, that person go just see you say, this one na threat to me. Oh, he go just cancel you because you are threatening him. WPS no be your wahala. No be your wahala. I dey tell you now. I'm telling you now because the reason I came a lot of videos. I came across a lot of videos that preach wrong information about this thing. So I don't want this thing to be long, but understand this. If you really do visa from another company and you are working for another company, get NOC. How to do this? Get NOC from that company. Tell that company that you're working for, they will apply labor permit for you, and from there they go issue WPS from you. That one na their wahala. Your own your own. What is this? Anyway, I hope you guys understand this particular thing why I talk, because me I don't want to extend the topic. You understand? Talk get limits. So me I don't already talk the one where as I feel drop. If you feel get brain, you go feel reason one or two things. You understand? Based on no be every word and they point out. And so it be. So for you people that really maybe you don't understand broken, other African nationality, maybe Uganda, Cameroonian, I think they understand broken. Ghana understood broken. So maybe you are from Kenya, Cameroon, Uganda, and you don't understand clearly what I'm saying. Drop a question at the comment section. I am going to respond to you. Or probably look for a Nigerian close to you. They go explain them for you better. That's it. Peace and remain blessed.